Hi, I'm Gerald, and I live in the Villages of Urbana. And I was having air conditioning problems, me and the wife, and we got a recommendation off next door neighbors for Villages of Urbana, and we hired an air doctor to take care of our air conditioning problem, where we've had two other service technicians to try to fix it. It didn't work, and we found a leak, and we had air doctor replace the system. They finished today, and they gave us a great price. And I would highly recommend Air Doctor to all my friends and family.